My daughter got banned from dance. Here's why I'm proud. I got called into my daughter's dance studio last night. My 12-year-old sat in the office, still in her leotard, face stone cold. The owner was furious. There was a legendary instructor there. Everyone loved her, but she had a cruel habit. Public weigh-ins. She'd call out girls' weights, reducing them to numbers. Some left crying. Nobody spoke up until yesterday. A new girl broke down after her turn. That's when my daughter walked to her bag, pulled out her phone, and hit play. The instructor's voice rang out, "Skinny equals success. Nobody wants to watch fat dancers." Turns out my kid had been secretly recording these comments for weeks. That morning, she'd sent everything to the dance board. By afternoon, 3 more students came forward with their own proof. The studio's response? They banned her from the winter showcase, creating a hostile environment. But the instructor? Gone permanently. On the drive home, my daughter whispered, "Mom, I might have ruined my dance career." I squeezed her hand. "No, you just saved someone else's. We got ice cream. Extra topping."